I showed this pear fun fold card on my YouTube channel this week, and I wanted to feature it because I have an upcoming virtual stamp camp using this at the end of August 2025. So it's the last 2 days of registration. So go ahead and go to madetocreatewithlisa.com. I would love to have you be part of the fun. We're going to be using this stamp set, all of the beautiful paper. You'll get a lot of product and the matching gems and ribbon, and we're just going to be doing some great layouts. Now, this is a really easy fun fold card. You get to feature both sides of the beautiful paper, which I love, and that's the matching ribbon there, and I just love it. So again, we're going to be adding the beautiful gems and all of the goodies. So go to madetocreatewithlisa.com for all of the details for this card, and then also to my Made to Create with Lisa store on my website to register for the stamp camp.